OJEE application forms have been released online. The exam will be conducted in a computer-based test mode. Visit the official website of OJEE, which is ojee.nic.in. Click on the Register for OJEE 2024 button on the home page. You will be redirected to a new web page. Click on the Fresh Candidate Registration button and an instruction manual will appear. Read the instructions carefully and click on the I agree button. You will be redirected to the OJEE registration form where you will be required to fill in the necessary details. Once you click the final submit button, you will be redirected to a new web page which shows the application progress status and application number. Fill out the complete OJEE application form with details such as birth category, domicile, family income, etc. Click on Save and Next. Now, select the course to which you wish to apply for. Candidates can choose multiple courses according to their eligibility. The application fee is INR 1000 for one course, and for each additional course, the application fee is INR 500. Now fill in the qualification details and click on Save and Next. In the next step, put in the contact details such as correspondence and permanent address. Now select up to 3 preferred test cities and finally upload your photograph and signatures in the prescribed format. Check all the details and on the final submit button. Now proceed to pay the application fee online to complete the OJEE application form. Once the payment is made, take a printout of the application form and fee receipt. This was all about the OJEE 2024 application process. All the best.